The most intelligent assholes ever imagined. Ball so hard, way better than magic. Bitches coming through think it's better to fuck them. Haters showing up, they think it's better to stab them. All the talk behind the back shit never should matter. Fake shit looking real behind the editor's camera. Out in Queens, you can find me with the grimiest fellas. Say you are what you eat, nigga, I'll be gorilla. Chi-Town, Queensbridge, nigga, what could be iller? If you say something else, you should fuck with me, killer. All the jewels I was teaching these fools. In the hood, it was cool, I believe in these fools. They remind me of a young me, reckless, hungry. Only concern is where my money and gun be. All of these niggas that's just like me, they love me.
Yo, y'all know what it is. It's your boy Wild, Urban Grind TV, and we live Smoky Studios, and we got the God, one of the legends of hip-hop right here. QB's finest, man. Nature in the building. What's going on, guys?
What's good, boy? Just chilling, you know. Glad to be here doing what I do.
I bet that. Now, what we got you in Chicago for right now?
Oh, yeah, we're doing this show. You know, classic hip-hop lives, you know what I mean? Put together some dope shit tonight with me and EPMD, putting it down at the Park West. It's going to be something special. We got live bands and all that shit. We're doing some crazy shit tonight.
Okay, you bet that. Now, I just got a chance to get a little sneak peek of you putting something down in the studio right now. First of all, that was an honor to hear a legend do what he do, but, like, how you just keep it fresh like that?
Man, that's what we've been doing, man. I don't know no other way, you know what I mean? Shit, that's what we do, you know what I mean? I'm just glad that the people appreciate what I do.
Bet that. Now,
put that fire all day.
Right. Now what you got going on right now?
Oh man, we got a bunch of things going on right now, man. I got a project. We just put out something recently called Queens Classics with a lot of the old shit. I try to remind them, you know what I mean, before I mix it up with a lot of the new shit, you know what I mean? It's all crazy, so I'm trying to do a part 2. It's called Queens Classics 2. You should look for it on the net, boy. It's gonna be everywhere. It's gonna be, you know what I mean, for the people that know what we do, or that remember the songs that we put out back in the days, mixed with some of the shit that you might not have heard. Right.
Okay, bet that. Now I was checking out the ashtray thing you got going on as well, right?
Yeah, did you listen to it all?
Yeah. Now you got 1, 2, and 3, so I'm trying to get through all of them now, right now.
Yeah, man, all kind of music for days, man.
I see. So you staying in the studio, staying busy with it?
Yeah, of course, always. You know what I mean? Always working, listening for new beats, new artists, man, new vibes. You know what I mean? Just trying to stay fresh.
Bet that. I like hearing that. Now, is there any artist that you seeing right now that you like? Yeah, he dope.
There's a bunch of them that's out there dope. I'm not gonna sit there and name them right now, but they dope. You know what I mean? I got kids, so you know the kids will let you know who's dope. Right. You know what I'm saying? But yeah.
You bet that, man. So I'm glad you're in the build. Just in case anybody want to get in tune with you, they want to check you out. What's all your social media so they can link in?
Man, The Real Nature, man. THE, The Real Nature. You know, at Instagram, at Twitter. That's just about it, really.
Okay. Bet that. So everybody be in the building tonight, man. Park West is going down. We got the God Nature in the building, man. Appreciate you sliding through here, man. Smoky Studio.
Yeah, man. It's gonna be on fire, man. Be there. I need to be there. It's going down.
Bet that. Y'all know what it is. It's your boy Wild, Urban Grind TV. We live Smoky Studios. We out.
Yo, you already know what it is. It's Queensbridge Finest, your boy Nature, and right now you're checking out Urban Grind TV.
This is for the Go Connect. This is for the ones that make it rain till your soul and jog every morning. To the corner store, niggas selling everything from crack, weed to quarters on. Post on around like they ain't, so they skipping school. Looking for some money, so I teach them how to stick a rule. No, I ain't your pimp, bitch. No, I ain't your principal. Show you how to graduate from Goodfella Institute. Always been the truth, while it's fake, just exaggerate. Talk like a mastermind, never want to masturbate. Good niggas pass away, candles on the curb form. On a song being word form, tax turn them nervous with rats, they turn to squirrels. Resume, moving and work with no referral. The king of New York, my name rings throughout the borough. No matter what I say, my name rings throughout the borough. Some fake, some real, some kill, some bloodshed. You gon' fuck around and steal some. Life kills me, life kills some. Some die, some kill some. Some fake, some real, some kill some. Bloodshed, you gon' fuck around and spill some. Some thugs get love, ice cream, some multiply, some die. And yo, happy go lucky, screaming fuck me every drove by. Give me the finger back, but never pay it no mind. Focus on the gold mine, they could've went further. All they say about the victim is he really ain't deserve it. The streets know to hang around dudes, make them nervous. That's K, AK, all day, keep a burning for the creeps. And the fiends coming dressed like me. When they mention in the talks who the best might be. Out in Queens, all the funeral homes was overcrowded. Single parent homes, no kids with no allowance. Never had a job, so I'd rather push powder or go door to door, busting counterfeit dollars. No matter what your hustle is, keep your customers satisfied. Money pound high where the Russia is. They clear the flaws, see the fears dissolve. Smoking weed just to hide all the years and scars. Shit is hard. Now if you're real, put one hand up in the air like this. Yeah. Some fake, some real, some kill, some bloodshed. You gon' fuck around and spill some. Some thugs get love, ice grip some. Look upon some die, and still some. Some fake, some real, some kill some. Bloodshed, you gon' fuck around and spill some. Some thugs get love, ice grip some. Multiply some, die, and still some. And there's 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 still some. Go home. Yeah, I got no birth records, no Mexican, no I'm not a motherfucker, got no best friends, no other checking 10 wins, AM, versus 15 for playing at the check cashing, think I'm playing, blinking I'm spraying, wrong move, back to self-push, make you won't lose, cause you gon' lose, I cripple niggas from the complex, the simple niggas keep showing y'all what difficult is, if the world saying down, but never been to the bridge, what type of shit is that? Fraudulent, what's the cause of it? Educate you, erasing all of it, stop the presses, groupie niggas ask a lot of questions. I repeat, this is not a question. If you don't reply, who can never gotta press them? Keep the clock body contested 38 ways with a spell. Regardless of your ass, you can catch a shell. And you'll believe me when I say it is. It's that y'all can do for me. I don't believe in selfishness. This time I want my crew to eat. We coming to 100 strong. We coming with 100 miles. But we should also belong. We want it then and want it now. Hey yo, I rap for my niggas. I rap when I hold. Rap when I'm getting dressed, when I iron my clothes. The press, I kick raps that change your whole mood. And somehow, stick to your ribs like soul food. Rap for wheelchairs, rap for canes, ace bandages. Niggas with springs and steak flipping and pain. I rap for man, English, even rap for science. Gotta try to laugh, keep myself from crying. I rap for Giants, Jets, Yankees, Mets, New York, from food to clan. Steady popping up, the boo let me go, I'm popping up. Traffic got too proper, that's crazy. Ain't the rap for my high school coach. White folks freaked out like a Michael Dope. Freaked out, dope stashing. For those asking, I flow for TV. HBO and close caption. Believe me when I tell you this. It's nothing I can do for me. I don't believe in selfishness. This time I want my crew to eat. We coming through 100 strong. We coming with 100 rounds. But we should have something wrong. We want it then and want it now. Believe me when I tell you this. It's nothing I can do for me. Yeah. 5 minutes. 5 minutes to flush. 5 minutes. Yo. They say they just want to question me. The interruption. 4 in the morning, they knock and call me fucking no one time. Play with the top line, tell me sometimes so I can hide the shit kinda quick. Move the guns, flip the herb, got me shook up, plus my neck was disturbed. Eyes are chocolate, picking up shells from off the carpet, barricading the door for war like a hostage in my crib. Got my name on the lease, can't explain niggas just get a rain to release. Who's snitch? Set me up for niggas you bitch. Sacrifice of my life, play it too kids, shoot kids. I got a goodness to lose, I wait this through, stay for time, bitches to move. Turn the shit to a zoo, man reporters. I laugh at the six of my view, they clean the corners. 5 minutes to flush. 5 minutes. 5 minutes to flush. Yeah, 5 minutes. Put your hands up. 5 minutes to flush. 5 minutes. been a long day. Now we're reading with James playing the whole way. Senses, talking my crib and came with famous. Loving the interest, trying to knock it off the business. Gathering rings, counting inches, my whole fucking low has been put broken and I'm living like a navigator. The phone rings, I'm an bitch. They just hanging so real, I didn't say shit. Knowing in my heart I'ma stay rich. It's a music, confusing till they lose patience. Try to ease up, call my nerve with the G-Love. Open the door, don't fall before the beat flush, these rush. Plus the riot squad, those are in the retreat, shit deep when times is hard. 5 minutes to flush. 5 minutes. It's 5 minutes to flush. 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes to flush. All my niggas in the back, 5 minutes. 5 minutes to flush. Yeah, by the time they bust in, I had touched the cash. Just flush the last 100 grams, niggas is up.